closure.
We never want to hear you utter that blasphemous word, closure, again. It's fucking bullshit.
If you're waiting to have closure with your ex at some secluded restaurant, where he tells you shit that you've been imagining you wanted him to tell you about your relationship and why it ended.
Fuck it.
It's not about him anymore. It's about you.
This person you want to have your special talk,
AKA closure with.
Scratching his balls, sitting on his couch watching football, and could give two shits about your closure plan.
So, do not talk to him.
We're not saying forever.
But not for a mighty good long time.
Like until you're
Healthy, happy,
Married. Remarried.
moved to Paris, forgotten his birthday, forgotten his name, are retired, living in a nursing home, with your mouth hanging wide open at all times. Then, you may by all means give him a call. And do not, under any circumstances, have breakup sex with your ex.
That's what whores are for.
We lived it.
We wrote it.
Don't.